In Spanish, what you call your partner says everything about how you feel about them. Today, we are going through the sweetest, most romantic names that Spanish-speaking couples use every single day. And trust me, some of these are going to melt you completely.
Okay, Chris, before we start, I have to say, this is my favorite episode we have ever done, because in Spanish, we are very, very good at this topic.
I already know Isabella's going to absolutely carry this one. I am Chris, and this is Isabella, joining us from the most romantic language on the planet, Spain.
Welcome, everyone, to Spanish Daily Podcast. Today, we are talking about something beautiful, the sweet and romantic names that Spanish-speaking couples use for each other. These are real, widely used, and genuinely full of feeling.
Whether you want to use these with your own partner, understand them in a Spanish song, or simply fall a little more in love with this language today, every single phrase we cover is A1 and A2 level, short, sweet, and completely unforgettable. We start with the one that needs no introduction. The most classic romantic phrase in the entire Spanish language.
Mi amor, my love. Mi means my. Amor means love. You say this to your partner the way you might say honey or sweetheart in English. It works at any moment. Saying goodbye, calling them from another room, starting a difficult conversation with softness.
Repeat after me. Mi amor. Mi amor. Mi amor.
In Spain and across Latin America, this is the foundation. Every other term of endearment builds on the feeling behind these two small words. Mi amor.
This one is the everyday word, the one you hear in Spanish homes constantly.
Cariño. Sweetheart, darling. It comes from the word cariño, which means affection or tenderness. You use this when you want to be warm and close without being overly dramatic about it. It is the name you use when you are just living life together. Repeat. Cariño. Cariño. Spanish couples say cariño dozens of times a day without even thinking about it. It just flows. That is how natural it becomes.
Now we are getting into the ones that hit differently. This one is deeply Spanish and deeply felt.
Mi vida. My life. Mi means my. Vida means life. When a Spanish speaker calls their partner mi vida, they are saying, you are my whole life. Not just a part of it, everything. This is used constantly in Spain and Latin America, and every single time it carries real weight.
Repeat. Mi vida. Mi vida.
I genuinely cannot think of a more beautiful thing to call someone in any language. Mi vida. You are my life.
This one is pure Spanish romance. One single word that says more than most sentences ever could.
Corazón. Heart. You call your partner your heart. Not that they have your heart. They are your heart. Spanish speakers use this so naturally that it does not even feel dramatic anymore. It just feels true.
Repeat. Corazón. Corazón.
You will hear this in so many Spanish songs. And now when you hear it, you will know exactly what it means and exactly how deeply it is meant.
And here is one that English does not really have an equivalent for. But once you hear it, you will understand immediately why it exists.
Mi cielo. My sky. My heaven. Cielo literally means sky or heaven. And calling someone your sky means they are as vast and as constant and as beautiful as everything above you. It is enormous love wrapped in just 2 words.
Repeat. Mi cielo. Mi cielo.
This one is especially common in Spain. And when someone says it to you for the first time, you understand completely why Spanish is called the language of love.
We are halfway through, and these phrases are already beautiful. If Spanish Daily Podcast is helping you feel more connected to this language, please subscribe right now so you never miss an episode. New content every single week.
And leave a like. It genuinely helps so many more people find us and fall in love with Spanish the same way we have.
5 more, and these ones get even sweeter. Let us keep going. Now we move into the ones you will hear constantly in Spanish songs and between younger couples especially.
Bebé, baby. Yes, exactly like the English word. Spanish adopted this one fully, and it is now completely standard between couples across all of Latin America and Spain. Very casual, very affectionate, and very widely used.
Repeat. Bebé. Bebé.
You will hear this one in reggaeton, in pop, in messages between couples. It is everywhere. And now you can use it too.
Now these two. These are the ones that make someone feel like the most important person in the entire world.
Mi rey, my king, said to a man. Mi reina, my queen, said to a woman. Rey means king. Reina means queen. This is the ultimate way of saying to your partner, I see you. I honor you. You are royalty to me. It is dramatic in the most beautiful and completely genuine Spanish way.
Repeat. Mi rey. Mi reina.
These are especially popular across Latin America. You will hear couples say this in passing, in texts, in songs. It never loses its power, no matter how many times it is said.
Okay, this one I need Isabella to explain, because on its own, it sounds like an insult, but it is absolutely not.
Okay, so this one surprises every English speaker. Gordo or gorda literally means chubby or fat. And yes, Spanish couples call each other this all the time with complete tenderness. In Spanish culture, it is a term of warmth and familiarity. It says, I am so comfortable with you, so close to you. You are mine and I am yours.
So it is one of those words that sounds shocking in translation, but is completely sweet in context.
Exactly. Context is everything. Gordo, gorda, said by a partner, is pure affection. You will hear it constantly in Mexican and Colombian couples especially.
Repeat. Gordo. Gorda.
And please, only use this one with someone you are very close to. Context truly is everything here.
And now we reach the ones that leave you speechless. This one right here.
Mi todo. My everything. Mi means my. Todo means everything. All of it. Every single part of it. This is not said casually. This is said in the moments when ordinary words simply are not enough, and only the whole truth will do.
Repeat this one slowly. Mi todo. Mi todo.
3 letters, 2 words, and somehow everything that needed to be said. Said completely.
And we end with a sentence that uses everything we learned today. The most complete and beautiful thing you could ever say to someone in Spanish.
Eres mi amor, mi vida, mi todo. You are my love, my life, my everything. Eres means you are. And then, mi amor, mi vida, mi todo. Every piece of today together in one sentence, said out loud to someone who deserves to hear it.
Say it. Eres mi amor, mi vida, mi todo. Eres mi amor, mi vida, mi todo.
If you say that to someone in Spanish and mean it, there is nothing more that needs to be said. Nothing at all.
Final recap. I say it in English, you say the Spanish out loud before the answer comes. My love.
Mi amor.
Sweetheart.
Cariño.
My life.
Mi vida.
Heart.
Corazón.
My sky.
Mi cielo.
Baby.
Bebé.
My king.
Mi rey.
My queen.
Mi reina.
My everything.
Mi todo.
You are my love, my life, my everything.
Eres mi amor, mi vida, mi todo.
Spanish does not hold back when it comes to love. And honestly, that is one of the most beautiful things about this language. It gives you the words for feelings that in English you sometimes cannot quite find.
And these are not just words for grand romantic gestures. These are daily words. Words said over breakfast and a text message while passing someone in the hallway. That is how love sounds in Spanish. Constant, natural, real.
Your challenge today. Go to the comments and tell us which one is your favorite. And if you want to be brave, use it in a sentence. We want to see the most romantic comment section this channel has ever had.
We read every single one, every comment. And today especially, I cannot wait to see what you write.
Subscribe to Spanish Daily Podcast, leave a like, and share this with someone who deserves to hear Eres mi amor, mi vida, mi todo today.
Hasta luego, amigos.
See you in the next one.